since the day that you went away.
Hi Smashers, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Nas and I'm a lifestyle blogger from London. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for more content that I don't normally post here. In today's video, I'll be doing another DESENIO haul. DESENIO? I'm really not sure how you pronounce it because I've never heard anyone saying it except me. I think it's DESENIO, so I'll be just saying DESENIO from now on. The reason why I'm doing another DESENIO haul is because I'm starting university this week and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna do my back to school wall, and it's gonna be more of a black and white wall with golden frames. I have ordered everything. I've ordered 5 frames with 5 prints, and I'm so excited to put them in the wall behind me because this is the room where I'll be studying. This is the room that I will be doing all my online works, and you know, because it is Corona time, we do have to study online for most of the classes, and I will be doing a lot of classes at uni. So this is my parcel. It came a few days ago. I'm so excited to open it with you. I've already opened it and I've pre-made some of the prints. However, I left one so I can do it with you guys. I will show you each one of the frames so you can see them, and then we're gonna put them together on the wall behind me. I do have the last print over here inside this. It says there is art inside, and I'm gonna show you the print that I got. So this is the How cute is it? Ah, it's adorable. So it's basically a Picasso design. So I'm gonna leave it to the side because I want to show you the other 4 prints that I got. So the smallest one is this one here. It's a cute silhouette of a woman. Or a man with a womanly figure. Who knows? Nowadays, no one knows. Okay, the next one is this leaf. It's very cute, black and white. Then, one of my favorite artists of all time is Diana Ross in the house. Yes! How cute is this? It's also RuPaul's favorite artist. And then I also have this one, which is a woman laying down. This is gonna be like a side print. So these are all the prints, and lastly I have another frame which I'm gonna put the Picasso one inside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove everything. I'm gonna open it with you guys. How exciting. So I'm unwrapping it. I'm removing all the corners. And now I'm gonna remove all these metal things and then open it. I'm throwing this away. And I'm gonna remove the film that is on top of the plastic. Okay guys, so I'm putting it back onto the frame. Like this. I'm taking the Picasso, the cover of the frame, make sure it has fit properly in, and then I'm gonna put back these ones. Great, so now I have the Picasso one ready as well, and I will go back to the wall and we're gonna put them together. I'm gonna put everything on the wall behind me. I have thought of how to put them. I suggest you to decide where you want to put them before you start putting the pins. So start with trying them on the wall and seeing like where would they fit. Great, so let's put the first one, which will be the smallest one, the woman silhouette. I'm gonna put it over here. So this will be the center of my whole gallery wall. Perfect. So next we're gonna put the second smallest, and this is the leaf, and we're gonna put it over here on top. Ta-da! Next we have the laying woman, and I'm gonna put her just here behind me. Like this. It's gonna be in the center, just under the lamp. Next we're gonna put the Picasso just over here on the right. Ta-da! And lastly, but not least, Diana Ross just over here. How cool is that? And I'm gonna pull the plant a little bit closer. And we have this nice wall ready for my student here. And done! My gallery wall is complete and I'm ready to start my new academic year at Westminster University. I can't wait for my first classes, and you know, a lot of them are gonna be online, so I will be here at my house with my lovely wall in the back studying. There's nothing better than that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if you like my video, if you want any of the prints. You can get 10% off with my discount code, so please check it out below in the description, and make sure you use it before the expiry date, so you're gonna save quite a bit. So make sure you go and pick your gallery wall and get your prints together and build your own wall just like mine in the back. So guys, yeah, subscribe, please like and comment on this video, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram as well, as that's where I post most of my content anyway. I will be posting here at least once a week, so please press the notification bell so you can receive every single video of mine. Thank you again, and see you next time.